Give me a YouTube thumbnail face. No, it's like, chickens! We're headed out the door to run some errands, so I'm going to bring you along with us today. We're going to the library. I'm going to play at the park that's right outside the library. I forgot to lock the back door. You gotta do that. So, library, park, then we're going to go to Wilco and actually pick up some more chickies. Oh, I did lock it. I am so on top of it. I don't even know how on top of it I am. Anyways, so library, park, Wilco to pick up some chicks because I really want to add a few more chicks to our chicken collection and get them raised before it gets too cold. So I want them to get big enough to be able to handle the cold before the winter comes, fall and winter comes. So I know we've gotten a couple groups of chickens so far, and this will be probably the last for the year. So those are our errands, and we're headed out. We got all our library books that we desperately needed. Now they're going to play for a little bit. Charity's been dying to have somewhere to ride her longboard. Of course, out in the country, we don't have a lot of space for that anymore. Mountain biking we can do, but not longboard. Are you a spider? Going on the spider web? That's cool. Okay, let me see. Go, Charity, go. Oh my goodness, you are at the top. That's so cool. You're really up? Yes. Are you the king of the world? Yes. I see that. Levi, come here. Wow, you look so cool, Levi. All right, Charity, you ready?
You're ready?
Okay. All right, finally at Wilco, ready to get our chickies and a few other things. Up until a couple of weeks ago, I had never been to a Wilco before, but now that we're farm people, we're coming here a lot more often. Right, Levi? Yeah. Are you farm people?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know how to farm.
Really pretty.
All right, before we get chickies, we got to get the stuff we need for them first. We'll get the chickies last. Okay, I need to get one bag of the starter. We already have the stuff for the layers, but the little baby chickies need this one. Oh, and I wanted to get another waterer. Don't need any horse treats today, I guess. Do you want to try some horse treats? No? Are you a horse?
No. Whoa. What is?
I think this is horse stuff. All right, I hear some chickies. I hear some chickies. Oh, can you see? I think you can see.
That's one of those ones look very popular.
Very popular because there's not very many left.
There's only 4.
Yeah.
I see them do.
There's none there. And there's these little ones here, the blue sapphire ones. They're called blue sapphire. Yeah, they're really pretty. We might get a couple of those. Oh, these? No.
They're not empty.
They're not what?
Those are not empty.
They're not empty?
Yes.
Oh. They're so cute, aren't they? We're going to get lots of eggs once they start laying. Yeah, not right away though.
How many do they lay a day?
Well, they can lay one a day if they're really on top of it. We ended up picking 8 of the Novogen brown chicks and 2 of the blue sapphire.
One of them kept pecking at the box.
Can you see them in there, Levi?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I see them. I just see those little faces.
You want to see their little faces?
Yes. Faces. I see their little faces.
What kind of a noise is that? Gonna get these chickies settled into their new home. Gotta get some hay for the bedding.
How much takes do we get?
We got 8 of one kind and 2 of a different kind. 8 and 2. Good job, Charity.
Wait, is it how much are the blue sapphires the 8?
No, we got 2 of the blue sapphires. That'll be fun.
This one. Yes, that one.
So one thing that they say you should do when you get new chickies is you take each one of them and you dip their little beak into the water so that they know where the water is.
And
Okay, that's
food?
like teaching them.
Food?
I think they figure out the food on their own pretty well, but you should teach them where the water is.
Yeah, we
So
can
let's.
teach them. I'll do it.
Okay, you ready to open the boxes?
Yeah, those are the blue sapphires. Should I pick one up?
Yep.
I want to pick up one of the blue sapphires. Oh.
Okay.
Dip your beak in the water.
So,
Yeah.
did you dip it in there?
Oh, so tiny.
A little handful of
Yeah.
blue. A little handful of blue. Here, dip your little beak in there.
Mommy,
That's
can we
it.
get the
That's where the
banana?
water is. They're so calm.
Careful.
Just taking in their new surroundings.
Oh, this big as my hand. I got 2 on accident. And no, that's
Just pick
smaller
one.
than that.
Did you dip its face in the beak in the water? Not face.
Face.
That would be too much.
She's licking
There we go.
her paws. There you go.
Oh, there's your water. Oh, they found the food. Look at that.
Yep.
Is that all of it?
Freddie wants them.
Well, I don't
just
think so.
wanna
Freddie's not too interested.
Talia won't believe what we got.
I know she's gonna be so excited when she gets home.
Yeah, she'll see the little baby chicks. They don't have any combs yet.
Yeah, they're still too teeny.
How old are they? Like a month?
No, probably a week or 2 weeks. That's my guess. But I'm not very good at guessing.
Some of the yellow ones just have a poof head. It's just a pom-pom. Just take away their eyes, beak, body.
All right.
It's a pom-pom.
Oh, oh. What do you think of that little chickie?
Oh, good.
Here, show it to the camera. You see the camera? Oh my goodness. Do you have a little chickie? Oh, oh, careful, careful. Oh my goodness. Very soft to the chickie.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
He does touch my finger.
Yeah.
You like it before? Yeah. So this is how you normally hold a bird. Yeah. But it's still on your finger. It's so cute. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. Do you think Freddie would go after these?
Yeah, if one was just sitting out, but Freddie's not going to try to get into the cage to get him.
Come out.
Oh, falling asleep. That's so sweet.
It's falling asleep.
Oh,
Hey, that fell asleep on my hand.
that's so nice.
It's not a he, it's a her. Mom, come on, sit here.
Sleepy little babies.
Boy.
I think that's a girl. It's supposed to be a girl. It's hard to know though, for sure. All right, I think it's time to go ahead and give them a little break. We've been playing with them for a long time. I think it fell asleep in your hands, Levi. Did it? Yeah, it's so tired. Look, it's sleepy. Oh, gentle, gentle.
Don't wake it up.
You want to go put it back into the bin?
No, I will do it then.
Well, we got to put it back because it's time to leave them alone and let them have a little break. Thanks for going shopping with us. I'm sure you'll be seeing a lot more of those little chickies as they grow. I will talk to you later and see you in the next video.